1 in 3 truck drivers in India have compromised vision. Trucks and lorries were involved in over 25,000 crashes and over 10,000 deaths.
सतवन जी, आपने कभी आंखें टेस्ट कराई हैं?
आंखें तो अपने एडजस्ट कर लेती हैं।
आंखें किनकी बचती है ना, जो आपकी उम्र के।
हाँ,
हम लोग पुराने, हम लोग की आंखें फ्री, कुछ नहीं अभी तक पूरा रीजनल है।
18,000 वो कैसे कवर करेगा?
With many of them living on the road, eye care is surely not their top priority. It is something that they choose to completely ignore and live without. Since they won't come to us, we went to them. In the middle of their long journeys, the truckers' pit stop is at the ubiquitous Indian dhaba that serves them regional home-style food. We removed the old menus from the tables and the walls and replaced it with our eye test menu, which was the only way to order food. Titan Eye Plus, India's expert eye care brand, presents the eye test menu.
EMK।
उसके बाद से नीचे नहीं दिखता है सर, छोटा अक्षर नहीं दिखता है।
नहीं दिख रहा।
पढ़ाएगा ये नहीं,
वो तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं, वो तो ऐसे जीरो लगता है।
Once the truckers knew they had a problem, we had optometrists on site to conduct a thorough eye exam, which was free of cost and would determine what the corrective prescription spectacles would be.
The eye test is devised and designed exactly the way we do in our clinic. The only difference is the alphabets are replaced with the names of menu dishes.
Based on the styles they liked, we shipped the glasses to their home addresses. We expanded the initiative to include rickshaw and cab drivers, last mile delivery personnel and others at risk.
जितने ट्रक वाले हैं उनको चश्मा लगाना चाहिए, ये लाजमी बहुत जरूरी है निगाह वास्ते।
The eye test menu by Titan Eye Plus, a major milestone in making Indian roads safe.